In the last 24 months, something unusual happened in the global economy. Despite the chaos of inflation, supply chain breakdowns, and geopolitical tension, productivity, especially in tech and service sectors, suddenly spiked. Some dismissed it as a post-COVID rebound, but the real reason was far more transformative. Artificial intelligence, once a futuristic buzzword, had finally crossed into the real world, and it was changing how humans worked forever. It didn't start with robots, it started with words. In late 2022, when tools like ChatGPT and Stable Diffusion exploded onto the scene, they weren't just party tricks. People started using them to write code, summarize legal documents, design marketing campaigns, brainstorm business ideas, and translate languages. For the first time, AI wasn't locked in academic labs or giant corporations. It was in laptops, phones, and Slack channels. Used by freelancers, startups, students, and billion-dollar firms alike. The impact was immediate. McKinsey reported that generative AI could automate tasks that accounted for up to 60–70% of an employee's time in some white-collar jobs. Copywriters went from writing 5 blog posts a week to 20. Designers used AI to generate hundreds of concepts in minutes. Engineers debugged code faster, using AI assistants that learned from every GitHub repo ever published. Productivity wasn't just increasing, it was accelerating exponentially. Even in unexpected sectors, AI was doing heavy lifting. In healthcare, radiologists used AI to scan images for tumors with better accuracy than most human professionals. In finance, AI models predicted fraud and flagged transactions in milliseconds. In logistics, companies like Amazon and Maersk started deploying AI to optimize warehouse layouts, truck routes, and cargo handling, saving millions in operational costs. These weren't isolated upgrades. They were systemic shifts. In just a single year, Goldman Sachs estimated that generative AI alone could raise global GDP by 7%, adding nearly $7 trillion, 0 cents, to the economy. That's not a typo. That's more than the entire economy of Japan being added purely through the power of smarter, faster tools. And yet, most of this transformation happened behind the scenes. What makes AI different from previous revolutions, like electricity or the internet, is that it's invisible. You don't see AI building roads or factories, but it's there, reducing meeting hours, analyzing legal contracts in seconds, generating customer support scripts, planning digital ad campaigns, testing medical treatments in simulation before they even reach a patient. AI isn't a tool, it's a multiplier. One human plus AI can now outperform teams of 5 or 10. And that's reshaping the very definition of work. Companies that understood this early are now surging ahead. NVIDIA's market cap crossed $3 trillion, 0 cents, riding the AI wave by powering the chips behind it. Microsoft embedded OpenAI into its entire Office suite, turning Word and Excel into intelligent collaborators. Even Walmart now uses AI to predict which products will go out of stock before the shelves go empty. We're not watching the future unfold, we're in it. But this productivity revolution also comes with consequences. If one AI-augmented worker can now do the job of 4, what happens to the other 3? While some industries will see job loss, others are seeing an explosion of new roles. AI trainers, data labelers, prompt engineers, and ethical auditors. Productivity doesn't just mean fewer people. It means smarter people doing better work. The challenge is not stopping AI, it's learning how to work with it before you get replaced by someone who already is. And here's the most startling part. This is just the beginning. Current AI models are still early versions. In 5 years, they'll be faster, cheaper, more personalized, and embedded into every single device we touch. The real productivity revolution won't look like a robot takeover. It'll look like humans, accelerated, empowered, working 10 times smarter than before. If this opened your eyes, hit like and subscribe, because the AI productivity boom is just getting started. In the next video, we'll show you 5 real-world case studies where AI saved millions, disrupted entire industries, and changed how we work. Don't get left behind, the age of intelligent productivity is here.